Okay, guys, today I'm go. Oh my god, this annoying music, bro. How do I turn it off? Oh, okay. So today I'm going to be playing um Tower of Hell in my washing machine. But I am already in hell. Anyways, let's go play some Tower of Hell. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, 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 oh. No. Oh no, What? Bro. It's okay. Oh, nah. Oh. Oh my god. Come on. No! No! Why? Why? No, no. Okay. We try again. Caesar in washing machine. Oh, 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 oh my god. I'm so good at this game. Oh my god! Whoa! Oh my god, guys, we did it. Oh my god, we are so good at this game. We are so good at the game. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, 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 oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Why, God, why? Why, God, why? Oh no. Damn it, bro. Oh my god. Okay, time to do. Time to. Oh my god. Oh no, I hope my balls don't get incinerated by laser. Oh, okay. I needed some gamer fuel. Yes, it give. Oh, fuck! No! Why? I don't care! I don't care! I don't care! In who need Robux when you got Roblox? Fuck, I failed. Oh my god. Oh, I must make it to the end before Uncle Rick turns on the washing machine. Oh god. Gotta go, gotta go, gotta go. Move out of my way. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, 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 oh my god. Okay. We got this. We got this. Okay. Oh, 42 seconds. Damn it. No. Uncle Rick, don't flush the washing machine. No.